We'll do it right this time, I promise.
Okay.
And welcome back again to the Dreams of Philip the Snorter, Section 10, verse 12 through 34. Some 40 years have passed since verse 12 blossomed, and the family members have begun to be aware that they never seem to age. Although Philip's famous snorting sounds a bit like a cough, and Ernestine's gone into a dream world similar to Philip's. Being the royal family of Regurge and Wacko to boot, they have no friends. But still, they begin to notice.
My dear Ernestine, I would that we were young again.
That's strange. I thought we still resided in that blessed state. But I have noticed of late that the servants and the merchants in their village are all different now than they were. Some are much younger, while others look like gray specters of their former selves. And again, some are no longer to be seen.
Indeed. I've been looking for that maid, the closet one, who bats her eyes so lavishly, and she is none to find.
I see. You see, my lord, there be other reasons for this unseenness than you see. You see?
And you, Ed, and my son, so long among the sheep and plunderer of my pants, what think you of what we say?
I have wondered how my clothes never wear out, and why the sheep I've known are dead and not I. But would not someone, the pheasants, or the Turks, or even that one maid in chambers, so say if it were true?
And why are we forever having the same associations? Our son of unknown name returns the same, and only we are still unchanged. And Charles is still our only friend.
It may be that he and we immortals speak.
And what about me? Am I part of all I see?
What a glorious idea!
Thus ends episode 63 of The Dreams of Philip the Snorter. I'm not AJK Water Bottle speaking.